Hi there, my name is Gavin Cooney. I'm the founder and CEO of Learnosity. I've been coughing a lot for the last few minutes, so hopefully that I get through this session. We realised a few years ago, I was working for the Department of Education in New South Wales, Australia, and we realised that education was dangerously underserved. So we decided to try. The best way to help was to provide technology to a bunch of other companies to build products on. What those things are APIs to build assessment products. So we kind of tackled the undifferentiated heavy lifting, the difficult, generic technical tasks in assessment. We allow other people use our kind of building blocks. Think of a Lego analogy here. We sell some Lego bricks and you can build whatever you want with it. This is happening in the industry. Like years ago, when I started this business, I was trying to explain to people what an API was. It doesn't really happen anymore. People generally understand that. There are other examples of people who are taking on these tasks, doing generic things. Look at Google Maps. Google Maps powers Uber and Lyft and Halo and whatever else. It also powers Hotels.com and Airbnb and Bookings.com and so on. The value that Airbnb bring is not the map. They could get going very quickly, use Google Maps and get to market quicker. Their value is getting the accommodations and all the e-commerce and everything else that goes on top of that, not the map itself. So we provide these building blocks to allow our customers to get to market quicker with better products. Those products are around assessment, authoring assessments, delivery of them at massive scale, and accessibility being a big challenge there that we've solved. Analytics, how we can add value to the data that our customers have. Questions with lots of interactive question types, technology-enhanced items, and so on. And math, a world-class math scoring engine, and a bunch of math tools that we do an enormous amount of math products. We work with a who's who of education, lots of big name brands, and there's about 100 kind of enterprise clients, very much in that space. Last year, in the last 12 months, we've delivered 1.3 billion questions. It's delivered, scored, stored, all that kind of thing. We've delivered about nearly 600 million math questions, so that's delivered and scored using our math engine. In our item bank, there's about 17.9 million items that have been authored by either teachers of products that are powered by us or the publishers kind of professionally authoring them. And we're operating at scale. We've got about 5 billion API calls per quarter, and that all kind of hums along really well and provides that kind of value to our customers. In a good month, there's about 9.3 million active users, the students doing tests. We have a partner network, so one of the ways to help our clients was to kind of provide integrations for them already done. This isn't a revenue generating thing for us. This is just something we use to help us gain access to different markets and to solve problems. So there are item banks. We have about 500,000 items professionally authored and stored in Learnosity just for deployment to one of our customers. We have customization partners, basically dev shops who can build whatever you want to build using those Lego bricks. Companies out there who will build content in Learnosity's tools. They were doing that long before we kind of partner with them, I suppose. And tech and feature things. Like us, we're laser focused on one thing, solving one problem. These guys are kind of a mile deep and an inch wide in their own little sectors. Data and analytics is the kind of next sort of natural progression for the business. I'm here talking about my assessment company. In a couple of years' time, I'm going to be here talking about my analytics company. We have an enormous amount of data, 1.3 billion responses per year and so on. And how can we add value to that data for our clients? How can we slice and dice that information for them so they can build their own teacher dashboards or student dashboards or district dashboards and so on? Or analyze their item banks for which questions are good and bad and that kind of thing. It's a natural progression for us, and it is in that kind of theme of undifferentiated heavy lifting. And we are now backed by a global PE firm, Battery Ventures, and we've always been bootstrapped. We've never taken a dime of cash on board, but we're now at a certain stage where we're going to look at using capital to fuel growth a little bit quicker, and potentially look at some M&A, what other kind of tools and services and stuff could we buy. And that's me. So thanks very much.